computer is not intelligent on its own. It doesn't think or understand intentions. In this video, we'll go one step further and look at how computers actually follow instructions, step by step. This idea may sound simple, but it is the foundation behind every apps, websites, games, and software you use today. When a computer is given instructions, it follows them in a fixed and predictable way. The same input will always produce same output, unless the instructions change. There is no guessing, no interpretation, no intuition. This predictable nature is what makes computers reliable, and also what makes programming possible. Think of instructions like a process written on paper. A cooking recipe doesn't understand food. It simply lists steps. Heat the pan, add the oil, add ingredients, cook for a specific time. If the steps are clean and clear, also it's in the right order, the result will be correct. If the steps are wrong or incomplete, the result fails. A computer works the same way. It does not know why it's doing something. It only knows what to do next with an instruction. You may wonder what is exactly an instruction is. An instruction is a very precise command which computers can execute. Each instruction performs one simple action, such as storing a value, adding two numbers, comparing two values, displaying the text. A complete program is simply a large collection of these small instructions arranged in a meaningful order. Complexity in software doesn't come from the complicated instructions. It comes from how many simple instructions are combined together. When a program runs, the computer starts with the first instructions and executes them one after another. Read the first number. Read the second number. Add them. Show the result. The computer does not skip steps. It does not rearrange them. This behavior is called sequential execution, and it is the default way computers operate. The CPU is responsible for carrying out instructions. At the high level, it repeats the same cycle continuously. Fetch, decode, execute. This cycle runs millions or even billions of times every second. Even though the process is simple, the speed makes computers extremely powerful. Computers can make decisions, but only in a very controlled way. A computer decision is always based on a condition that results in true or false. If a student's marks are greater than or equal to 50, they'll pass. Otherwise, they'll fail. This kind of logic allows program to behave differently under different conditions, but always within a clearly defined rules. Computers need to repeat the same instructions multiple times. Instead of writing the same instructions again and again, we define a repetition rule. For example, display a message 3 times. This looping concept allows programs to scale from small tasks to very large ones efficiently. Every programming language, whether it's Python, Java, C, relies on these same principles. Instructions, order, decisions, repetition. Once you truly understand this, programming stops feeling mysterious. You are no longer memorizing syntax. You are designing a clear instructions for a machine that follows them exactly. In the next video, we'll explore why computers need translators to understand instructions. This is where software development really begins. Thanks for watching. This is Vacuum Bites.